Hi guys! So I am walking and gustong gusto ko talaga yung naririnig yung mga huni ng ibon. It is relaxing. This is my view habang naglalakad. Sobrang sarap ng weather. Sana nakikita niyo yung kulay pula na ibon. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda talaga. Oh. So relaxing. So ito na yung gusto ko sanang maging habit na after work. Walk lang kahit at least 1 hour. You know, to breathe in fresh air talaga. And sun exposure para mas maging healthy because health is wealth, you know. So nice. May moon na nga agad. It is actually 6:40 in the evening. Pero sobrang taas pa ni haring araw. Mga 8:30 pa yan mag-sundown. Kaya perfect pa yung time to walk. More green. Oh, I love green. I love it when my scenery is all green. It looks so alive. Really. Oh, thank you, Lord. Is this an owl? Owl? Ang laki niya eh. Oh, owl nga. Ang laki niya. There's a bunny. Bunny. Dalawa sila. Nasaan isa? Ayun, meron pa isa. Hello! Diba? Saya lang nila. Ito naman mga birds. Ayun. Hello! Ay, lumibat na. Yan, so ito naman yung view ko on this side. Sorry, medyo hinihingal ako. Super nice. Meadows. Diba? Ay, sarap mag-meditate here. Okay, kaya ko talaga favorite yung spring na season because of this. Because of the sun. I know I'm oily and I look haggard na, but it's really nice lang talaga na after, you know, after winter, ayun yung promise ng Panginoon na there's another season, right? One season after another. So wala lang, realization lang in life na hindi natin, yung pinaka-constant na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay natin is change. And yun ang hindi natin mako-control because ganun talaga ginawa ng Panginoon ang mundo. And you know, I'm just really like grateful for this little things kasi you know, our life here on earth is really temporary and borrowed life lang nga talaga yung meron tayo. So habang 'di ba may buhay ka, you have to be grateful and appreciate talaga kung ano yung gift na binigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. So number 1 is your health. Health is so important. Yung faith mo sa Panginoon is really important. I think siguro yun yung masasabi kong dalawang aspeto na most of the time nakakalimutan ng tao or alam mo yun, yung hindi nabibigyan ng importansya. But I think Yun ang very, very important. I don't know, I'm just saying random things right now. So, yun lang. I'm done with my walk. Pabalik na ako ng bahay ngayon. And the sun is still up. Pero ano na oras? 7:16 na. So, thank you guys for joining me sa aking walk for today. And I hope to see you again my next one. Bye!